Hey, what's up? It's Rellz here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to y'all again, very much live, very much crusty, but this is the last time, I promise, because today I'm going to get my hair done. Okay, so I'm getting some really long knotless braids and I'm so excited. I'm just going to take y'all along with me. It's currently 9:54 and my appointment's not till 2 p.m. so we gotta get this together, baby. I haven't washed my hair since, if you go on my channel, you'll see a video. It says Passion Twist Tutorial. That video was probably uploaded 3 weeks ago. I uploaded that video probably 2 weeks after I did that hairstyle. And it's probably a week since I took that out. And my hair still haven't been washed since the day I did it. So you do the math. You do the math. So my hair needs to be washed. It needs to be detangled. It needs to be blow dried. It needs to be deep conditioned. It needs to be loved. Because baby, his hair is looking like it don't have no love in his life. So we gonna give it some love. So I'm about to wash my hair. So I'm watching Coco Jones back there. If you don't support Miss Coco, then that's a no-no. Okay? Okay, so my hair is blow dry. As you can see, this was the best I could do. Like, baby, I'm not about to burn my hair trying to get you know blow dry when I'm just about to get it braided up anyway. So we not doing that. Oh, I can show you the products that I use while I wash my hair. So first, what did I do? So I went in with this Aussie Moist conditioner. If you know me, you know that I love me some Aussie Moist conditioner. Like, me and Aussie Moist, we tight. It don't matter what flavor that you get. After that, I went in with this Selsun Blue shampoo, and I use this because I got dandruff like a mug. Like, I don't even know, like, that's not even okay. But then after that, I washed my hair. Then I went back in with that same Aussie Moist conditioner, and then I also put some of this Shea Moisture Deep Treatment Mask on my hair as well with the conditioner. I let it sit for like 5 minutes, maybe not even 5 minutes, because I'm in a rush. Then after that, I washed it out and blow dry my hair. I put some oil in my hair when I blow dried it. I didn't use no heat protector because I'm living on the edge and all that type of stuff. So now that we done, it's time to go. Okay, so I meant to show y'all, this is the amount of hair that I lost since, from like combing it out, washing my hair, all that. This is the amount of hair that I lost. I just want to show y'all that's like a month worth of hair. Yeah. So change of plans. We're actually going to Best Buy first because I was in the tropical smoothie line and that line was kind of long. And then this one lady, she on speed past me to get in line before me at tropical smoothie. Like, it's never that serious with no line in front of no fast food. Anyway, if I get upset, because like, why would you do that? Like, you really you doing the most over a spot. Anyway, so I was like, I'm not about to wait in this line, and it's like 12:30, it's lunchtime. So I'm just like, and tropical smoothie do be taking a little minute, I'm not even gonna lie, even when you the only person in line. But that's besides the point. I looked up the address for where I'm getting my hair done at, and it's literally 3 minutes away from tropical smoothie. So it makes no sense for me to get the food and then drive past the place and then go to Best Buy. It's all the way like 10, 12, 15 minutes away, and then come all the way back. That don't make no sense. So let me just go ahead and go to Best Buy. Well, that was a lie. I was actually looking at the wrong address to the wrong place, and Best Buy was actually closer to the place I was getting my hair done than it was to tropical smoothie, and I ended up actually being late because I don't know how to look up the correct addresses. But continue. We made it to Best Buy. Y'all need to make sure that y'all wearing y'all mask. We're in a whole panoramic. You need to be wearing your mask, sweetheart. Okay, yeah, it's 1:19. I have to go. Like, I literally have to go. Like, I need to get my food. I need to go to the ATM. I have 40 minutes to do that. Should I just get some Chick-fil-A? No, I'm not getting no Chick-fil-A. I need me some food. Come on now, y'all can let a bad be through. I was definitely going. And you was definitely letting me through. Not me cleaning the lens with a mask. I know y'all came here to see me get my hair done, but like, let me put y'all on one of these songs that I've been just like, this song make me so happy. Like, it just make me smile. Like, oh, you ever had a song that make you smile? Let me play the song. Let me play the song. Where's that? Here we go.
And the feeling's right. Just wanna see you. So you could come over. Know you're shy. You can be shy with me. You could come over. I know you're shy. Baby, I need you. And I'm kinda shy too. You can be shy. You can be shy with me.
Like, that song is just so amazing. Like, I just feel so happy when I hear that song. And it's just a good song, and I relate too, because I'm shy. He said, and I know you're shy, but baby, I'm shy too. Now I'm about to just play it about the rest of the way to my destination, and I'm gonna see y'all there, because I gotta listen to the song about 4 more times before I make it to my destination. So, see y'all there.
I'll be right with you.
Should I get 2 sandwiches or should I get 1 sandwich? Y'all, I just went and gone ahead and got 2 sandwiches because I need 2 sandwiches. I ain't gotta explain myself. I ain't ate all day. There you go.
Thank you. That for you, and that should be out soon.
Okay. I'm gonna see y'all when I get some after hair appointment because my battery's dying. Y'all, I'm actually late. I went to the wrong one. I got my food and everything. I didn't even get to show y'all my food or nothing. I went to the gas station and all that type of stuff. I think y'all seen me go to the gas station, but I went to the wrong one because I went to the southwest when it was supposed to be southeast, and it's just too much. Like, I don't even live on the southwest. Why did you recommend me southwest when I live on the southeast? But I'm here now, and I gotta hurry up because it's 2:12 and I'm late. That's how they do it. Like, this is what we using. This is what it looks like. Focus. Right. I swear, I was like, no, everybody camera do not just do that. Because every single person be trying to act just alike. I be cracking at you. So I know y'all probably wondering how long this took. This took about 12 hours. My appointment was at 2, but I got there late, so I got there around 2:15, whatever. And then we went until midnight, and then I had to come back the next morning because we ran out of hair, and that took about 2 more hours. So all in total, it took about 12 hours, which is not bad for some braids that go all the way down to your knees, and they small. So it was long, but it wasn't that long. But yeah, on to the final reveal. Hey, how y'all doing? Not gonna lie, it's like a month later. I literally got my hair done on like May 22nd. It's now June 5th. I just kept procrastinating and not filming the ending of this video, but here I am. My hair is done. I'm actually about to take my hair out tomorrow, so like this was like my last, it was the last resort. Either I filmed it or I didn't get the video done. Okay, so this is a close-up of my hair. My hair looks pretty good to have been in my head for over a month, baby. For 6 weeks. Do this look like a 6-week-old hairstyle to you? But yeah, so this is the hair. It's literally so cute. Like, I love it so much. Like, this is one of the favorite hairstyles that I've ever gotten in my life, and they literally go all the way down. Like, let me show y'all. Don't mind the dirty mirror. But they literally go all the way down here. I was about to get them to my knees, but like maybe I told her no, like it don't have to be that long. This side is longer because I actually cut them a little bit because they were so long, like it was just ridiculous. But yeah, I just feel like I have to get on here and give y'all an end result, because like y'all, like it's so cute. Like, you see it, I'm doing it. Like, yeah, so this is it. I tried to, you know, get it a little bit cute for y'all, do my edges up and, you know, make it something, because I'm literally taking my hair out tomorrow because I'm going to get my hair dyed and straightened in like a week or so. That's all I came on here to say. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, then make sure that you subscribe, or you like the video, whatever you want to do. I mean, it's up to you. I'm definitely gonna record me getting my hair dyed, so y'all definitely gonna see that. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And that's the end of this video. Bye.